What up mga solid subscribers, no? Okay guys, papanoorin po natin itong BGY o Trash performance video to guys. So, performance video po ito, no? So, tingnan natin to. Dami nagre-request nito guys. Bawat upload ko talaga may mga nagre-request po nito, no? Okay. Kindly like, subscribe, and kaya ring na notification bell na rin guys para alam nyo pag ako nag-release ng bagong video. So, without further ado, so watch this!
Hello? Hey, you're not juicy, drive me crazy. I guess that's why I'm always down.
Oh!
Hey, looking like got a t-shirt, it's so
Ang fresh na tingnan guys, yung color ng suit nila.
upside down. I'm ready for you.
Fun!
I'm ready for you. I'm ready for you. I'm ready for you.
Woo!
I'll throw it all away for you in the
Trash,
yeah.
put it in the trash.
Baby, I'll leave it if you want me to. Baby, please, I know what I need. I could put you first.
Yung detalye, grabe. Oh!
Say the word.
Woo!
I'll throw it all
That physicality.
in the trash. Put it in the trash. In the trash, baby.
Kumbaga kasi yung trash.
Couldn't pass it, baby.
Kumbaga, parang in-interpret na eh. Put it in the trash. Kumbaga, iba usually ginagawa, kinakarampol muna, tapos biglang itatapon, di ba? Parang ganun yung representation nila. Put it in the trash.
All up for attention, baby. It's not just me that feels attention lately.
Oh! That's it! Got it! Ah!
Come closer, I wanna taste. I'll ruin my life for that cake.
Oh!
I'm ready for you. I'm ready for you.
Hey, may pag-gimas na pag si ano, Jello.
I'm ready for you. I'm ready for you.
Hey, that footwork! Let's go! Let's go! Ay, grabe yung sagutan doon, no? Yung turn, yung sequence, yung words.
Trash, yeah. Put it in the past, baby. I'll leave it if you want me to. Baby, please, I know what I need. Put you first.
Woo!
Say
Ah, may hit pa rin, ha? Ah!
throw it all away for you in the trash. Put it in the trash. And I could put you first if you just say the word. I'll throw it all away for you in
Okay, ay,
the
tapos na?
trash. Put it in the trash.
Ang bilis lang pala yung trash. Ang bilis lang pala, no? Ang bilis lang pala. Next ko para mga 3 minutes siya, no? So, ayun, napakaganda ng choreography. Siyempre, BGY, yan. Siyempre, shoutout sa choreographers po nito, no? So, hindi ko lang alam kung isa or dalawa, no? Pero natin dito, guys. Okay, directed by okay, assistant director. Hindi ko makikita. Wala yung ano yung choreographer. Hindi nakita. Hindi pinakita yung choreographer, no? Sayang lang. Excuse me. Puputok na yung ubo ko. Alam mo, feeling na puyat ka na. Ito yung may problema pag puyat kayo guys. As in, 4 hours to, yun talaga. Busy lang talaga sobra guys. Pasensya na po kung hindi tayo masyadong nakapag-upload, no? Pero mag-upload tayo, no? Yung mga, yung tulad ng dati na sobrang ano lang. Busy lang ngayon dahil na sa work. Sobrang daming gawa talaga as in. So, and guys, sobrang nag-enjoy ako dito as much as you enjoy this video, no? And sana makita pa tayo ng ano, mga video po ng BGY o na Trash or kung ano man mga upcoming ano nila. Kasi alam niyo naman pagdating sa choreography guys, isa ang BGY o sa grupo na talagang sobrang inaabangan ko guys. Yung detalye, yung difficulty level po ng choreography nila, as in sobrang galing ng BGY o sobrang galing po ng choreographer, sobrang galing ng ano na kung paano nila execute yung mga movements, no? Sobrang galing ng mga dancers nito mga to. So ayun na guys, kindly leave a like, subscribe, and kindly ring na notification bell na rin guys. So this is Point signing out. Peace. Bless you.